Hi friends, in this video we are going to know about a famous person. But he was not a famous person by birth. He was came from a normal poor family. In his childhood he has been studied at one side and the other side he was helped to his father in financial by selling newspapers. He had took so many problems in his childhood and he was completed his studies and he received so many degrees in his life. After that, he has been rising step by step as professor, writer, scientist, and finally he was served as the 11th president of India and he was sacrificed his total life for this society, who is none other than APJ Abdul Kalam. So, every student must know about APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 to a Tamil Muslim family in Rameshwaram, state of Tamil Nadu. His father Jainul Abdin was a boat owner. His mother Ashiyamma was a housewife. By his early childhood, Kalam's family had become poor. At an early age, he sold newspapers to support his family income. In his school years, Kalam had average grades but was described as a bright and hardworking student who had a strong desire to learn. He spent hours on his studies. After completing his education at the Squats Secondary School, Kalam went to attend St. Joseph's College, from where he graduated in physics in 1954. After that, he moved to Madras in 1955 to study aerospace engineering in Madras Institution of Technology. While Kalam was working on a senior class project, the dean was dissatisfied with his progress and warned to revoke his scholarship unless the project was finished within the next 3 days. But Kalam reached the deadline, impressing the dean. In 1958, he was received aeronautical engineering degree. After that, he was joined India's DRDO to work on Overcraft project. Then in 1962, he was changed from DRDO to ISRO and he successfully launched different satellites along with other scientists. In 1982, Kalam came back to DRDO and appointed as chief executive. Kalam played a major part in developing many missiles, including Agni missile and Prithvi missile. For this, he was named as Missiles Man of India. In 1992, he was become scientific advisor of Defense Minister. After that, he elected as President of India with high majority on July 18 in 2002. He moved into Rashtrapati Bhavan after he sworn on 25th July. He wrote many books to encourage India's younger citizens, like his autobiography Wings of Fire. He struggled mainly to develop our India as scientifically and financially to the year of 2020. Kalam received so many honorable awards, in that Padma Bhushan in 1981 and the Padma Vibhushan in 1990 for his work with ISRO and DRDO and his role as scientific advisor. In 1997, he received India's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna, for his role of scientific research of defense technology in India. Honorary Fellow Award in 1995, Ramanujan Award in 2000, King Charles Medal in 2007, Doctor of Science in 2008, Doctor of Engineering in 2008, Honorary Professor in 2014. There are so many awards like these. Kalam wrote many popular books. They are India 2020 in 1998, Wings of Fire in 1999, Ignited Minds in 2002, The Luminous Sparks in 2004, Mission India in 2005, Inspiring Thoughts in 2007, Turning Points in 2012. This type of different popular books were written by APJ Abdul Kalam. On 27th July 2015, Kalam travelled to Shillong to deliver a lecture. So, APJ Abdul Kalam was a succeeded person in his life by facing different problems over his life. Only 5 minutes into his lecture, he suddenly collapsed. He was rushed to the nearby Bethany Hospital in critical condition. Despite being placed in the ICU, within 45 minutes, Kalam was confirmed that he was dead of a sudden cardiac arrest.